Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If I could go back 10 years, I wouldn't chase money. First, I'd chase skills. You see, money follows value. And value comes from what you can do, not what you wish you could do. The truth is, most of us spend years in school learning things that never actually help us make a living. But the people who learn the right skills, the kind that solve real problems, are the ones who rise the fastest. So in this video, I want to share the 5 high-income skills I wish I knew earlier. The ones that completely change the game when it comes to income, confidence, and opportunity. Let's dive in. The first skill is copywriting, and trust me, this one is a gold mine. Copywriting is the ability to persuade, influence, and sell with words. It's not just writing nice sentences. It's understanding human psychology. Think about it. Every ad you see, every product page you read, every email that gets you to click buy now, that's copywriting at work. Once you know how to write words that make people feel something and take action, you'll never be broke. And the beauty of it? You don't need a degree or years of experience. You can start by studying good copy, read ads, analyze why they work, practice writing them. Copywriting pays because it's tied directly to results. It's one of the top skills that turns creativity into cash. The second skill I wish I learned earlier is financial literacy. We grow up learning algebra and history, but no one teaches us how money actually works. Financial literacy isn't about being rich. It's about understanding how to manage, multiply, and protect the money you already have. It's learning how to budget, save, invest, and build wealth over time. You can make a lot of money and still stay broke if you don't know how to manage it. But once you understand compound interest, assets, and passive income, the game changes. Start by reading books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or The Psychology of Money. Then learn the basics of investing, even with small amounts. Remember, it's not how much you make that matters, but how much you keep and how hard your money works for you. The third skill is one of the most important for the future: AI and automation tools. We're living in a world that's changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for tech experts. It's for everyone who wants to save time and increase productivity. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Canva Magic Studio can help you write faster, automate tasks, and manage your business more efficiently. Here's the truth. I won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI will. You don't need to become a programmer. Just learn how to use these tools to boost your productivity. Mastering AI and automation is like having a digital assistant that never sleeps. It saves time and allows you to focus on strategy and creativity. The fourth skill is emotional intelligence, often called EQ. And let me tell you, EQ will take you places IQ never could. Emotional intelligence is about understanding yourself and others, knowing how to stay calm, how to communicate, and how to lead without conflict. When you develop emotional intelligence, you become better at reading people. You notice their tone, expressions, and energy, and you adapt your response accordingly. In workplaces and relationships, people don't follow the smartest person in the room. They follow the one who understands them, so learn to listen. Learn to manage your emotions, even when things get tough. EQ helps you resolve conflicts, build trust, and connect on a deeper level, all traits that make you a great leader. The fifth and final skill, and this one changed my life, is public speaking and storytelling. Look, it doesn't matter how smart you are or how much you know. If you can't communicate it clearly and confidently, it won't have an impact. Public speaking isn't just about standing on a stage. It's about expressing your ideas with confidence, whether in meetings, interviews, or on social media. And storytelling? That's the secret sauce. People don't remember data, they remember stories. A great story makes people feel connected. It turns information into emotion. So learn how to tell your story, your struggles, your lessons, your wins. You can practice this every day by sharing your thoughts online or simply talking to people with intention. Once you master communication, new doors open. So there you have it, 5 high-income, life-changing skills I wish I learned earlier. Copywriting, financial literacy, AI, and automation, emotional intelligence, and public speaking and storytelling. Each of these skills compounds over time. They don't just make you more valuable, they make you unstoppable. Start with one. Give it 90 days. Study it, practice it, and apply it. Because when you invest in skills, you're not just preparing for the future, you're creating it. If this video inspired you, drop a comment below and tell me which skill you'll start learning first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't chase money, chase skills. Money will follow.